Mark here again, Pilgrim V8. Got a lovely 66 Fastback here for you today. Now this is a 289 4.7 litre, but this is a GT. This is a factory GT, guys, not a clone. Let me show you this car. So what makes this a GT? On the front you'll see you've got the little grille mounted lights in there, got the GT badging, all things that can be replicated quite easily. And there's a lot of clones out there, guys, but there's some telltale signs on this car that we know about, which we can share with you today, that will prove this thing is the real deal. You'll also notice that these wheels aren't the standard wheels. These are actually 15-inch Magnum style wheels with a fresh set of whitewall tyres. Looks really good on this car. Fits nicely with these white stripes as well. The good thing about the wheels is you also get the original wheels with it. They come with the car, so if you wanted to flip them back, you can do. Let me show you the other details on this vehicle. So what makes this car a GT from the back? Well, you can see on the valance here, you've got the holes with the exhaust that protrudes through it. A lot of people replicate that on non-GT cars to make them look like a GT. This is a factory fit. This is how it came, hasn't been changed. The other things that aren't so obvious on the GT is your chassis rails have got a hole in them, which can be accessed from inside the boot. You can take a bung out and you can feel inside, and there's extra reinforcements around where the exhaust hangers are. This car has got them. That is something you cannot replicate. So this tells us this is the real deal. The other thing with a GT, if you take the base of the rear seats out, there's extra reinforcing plates in there to stiffen the chassis up as well. Proper GT, guys. So coming into the inside of this lovely GT, you'll notice you've got the blue interior, which really complements the Nightmist Blue exterior. The seats are your two-tone vinyl, so you've got the blue with the white centre sections, but they are the upgraded Deluxe Pony interior with the embossed horses on them. Also really popular back in the days. It was a popular option and really sought after. You'll notice you've got a wooden effect steering wheel. It says 33,708 miles on the clock. We can't necessarily warranty that that is guaranteed mileage, but it presents really well, so it could quite well be. The other thing you'll see in here that you've got brand new fresh set of carpets in here, so this really does present well. With a GT, you've got the quick rack steering in there as well, and upgraded suspension just to make things a little bit better than the standard. So this car is the real deal, guys. So this one's not going to hang around, as you can imagine. The Fastback is already what everybody wants over the coupe. These hold a premium. This car being a GT is really what sells it. So you've got your factory 289 4.7 litre V8 with the 4-speed manual, the lovely deluxe interior, the upgraded wheels, as well as the original wheels. You need to be quick on this one. Come give us a call. Come down and see the car. Welcome to take it for a spin with us. All the description of the vehicle will be down below, and a link to our video on our own website. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.